Hey there. So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. You want to overlay a video on a virtual studio background, giving it a cool 3D look. The background has a white trapezoid shape, and you're looking to fit your video in that area. You tried using the V360 filter in FFmpeg with the all option, but it didn't quite get you where you wanted. The filter is actually meant for 360-degree videos, not the tilt effect you're going for. Tricky problem, right? Now, let's talk about the solution. The key here is using the perspective filter in FFmpeg. The code snippet you'll need is FFmpeg I input MP4 VF drawbox equals T equals 1, C equals Y, perspective equals X0 equals 0, Y0 equals 250, X1 equals W, Y1 equals 0, X2 equals 0, Y2 equals H, X3 equals W, Y3 equals H250, sense equals destination output to MP4. This filter will help you achieve the tilt effect you're looking for by manipulating the coordinates of the video frame. It's like magic for your virtual studio background overlay. To sum it all up, we've covered how to use the perspective filter in FFmpeg to tilt your overlay video on the virtual studio background. Combine it with scale and overlay filters in the filter_complex to layer everything perfectly. And there you have it. Your video will now have that awesome 3D look you've been dreaming of. Hope this solution helps you nail that virtual studio setup. Until next time, remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay awesome.